Hi, I'm Lisa Anderson with this week's Supply Chain Byte. So what's top of mind is the strategic importance of regional supply chains. Why is this? Well, look no further than the U.S. has announced that there's between $8 and $20 trillion of investments into manufacturing, mining, shipbuilding, data centers, and artificial intelligence, which will drive substantial additional needs in manufacturing, logistics, energy, and rare earths, critical minerals. So if we look further, Venezuela has the largest oil reserves in the world. Not all developed, actually far from being all developed, but substantial opportunity to supply energy to these regional supply chains. And Greenland has one of the largest undeveloped rare earth reserves in the world. So if you think about what we should be doing, look at your regional supply chains, look at your customers, your suppliers, what opportunities exist for growth, ensure that you have the right partners in place, and look for strategic partners because supply chains will not wait. Get in front of it and take advantage of the opportunities.